Alright guys, something a bit different today. The Mini 6 high banker, running with a 2,000 gallon pump. Got a few buckets that I've dug. Been throwing a few bits of rock in there and a bit of mud. So yeah, might have to invest. I'll probably go the 8-inch when I eventually get a high banker, but my mate's let me use his today, so we'll see how we go. So I suppose when feeding one of these, just get like a scoop like you would, and then just drop one scoop in. It'll all clean off. Wait for that water to clear off. That way, because this is a bit muddy, this stuff, it'll give it time, so you're not sending too much mud and it's flowing out. That looks pretty cool. I've got about 7 buckets actually of material. So I'll give those 7 buckets a good clean up today. Maybe after a bucket I'll just check my pan just to see how we're going. See if we've lost any gold, if I'm feeding it wrong or I need to adjust something. But yeah, seems to be working alright. So yeah, I'll get back into this and smash this through pretty quickly and see if we get some colour. Alright, you might wonder why I have a pan at the bottom. It's not that I don't trust the mat, it's I don't trust myself feeding it properly. That's more to the point. Now, just looking at the mat, that's what's caught in it. Yeah, so a little bit of stuff in there. Can't see any gold, I don't think, unless it's gold up there. It might be just up there. Could be a piece of gold there in the O. Bit hard to tell. We'll see what happens. Oh, 1 bucket down. Got a fair few to go, so I've got to get through this. Alright, back in a... Alright. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 5 buckets down. 2 more to go. Not really seeing any gold anywhere. Haven't got any in the pan so far. Might not have any gold at all. Oh, 2 more buckets and then I'll clean this thing out. Should start seeing my tailings pile there. There's a little bit of clay and stuff still getting through. It's just more this top material that I'm working. But see what happens. Might get lucky. Alright, back soon. Alright, just done me clean up. Not a hell of a lot of gold. But what I did was I took some dirt from a few areas. So a bit of nice few bits there. A few chunkier sort of pieces over here. Some little finer gold as well. So it's gold. Yeah, so got the super sluice set. There's my tailings pile. I'll get my shovel and knock all that off down the creek into the creek itself. But yeah, not too bad. Something a bit different. Little 6-inch mini high banker. I'm thinking if I get one of these things, I'd probably get the 8. It'd probably just be more suited to what I do. So if anyone knows anyone that's can get a hold of one of these Goldrad high bankers, an 8-inch for a good price, let me know. Until the next time, which will probably, I'd say now, be the meetup. That'll be the next video. I'll see you all then. Please like, subscribe and all the rest. Also just started a Instagram account, so if you want to jump on there, if you're on Instagram, you can follow me there. I just take mainly some pictures and stuff, some wildlife and some of the cleanups and bits and pieces that I've done that I don't have on YouTube. Until the next time, I'll catch you all later.